Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best spray can organizer is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for anyone who uses spray paint, whether you're a professional detailer, a DIY enthusiast, or an artist. Keeping your cans tidy and accessible not only prevents them from rolling around and potentially damaging themselves or your workspace but also ensures you can quickly grab the exact color or type of paint you need without rummaging through cluttered drawers or shelves. This simple organizational solution can significantly streamline your workflow, save you time, and even prevent accidental spills or messes, making it a worthwhile investment for maintaining an efficient and clean working environment. Number 5. Rapid Storage Straps, Assorted 6-pack. Introducing the original heavy-duty storage straps, designed to help you get untangled and organized. We know a thing or two about keeping your cords and hoses tidy. Make extension cord storage and garage organization simple. If your garage is cluttered with tools and equipment, these straps will help you become a master organizer. Crafted from heavy-duty polypropylene, these offer high-quality storage for all your accessories. They can hold up to 50 pounds, easily managing heavy hoses and power tools. More than just extension cord holders, these versatile straps are perfect for RV hoses, work van accessories, and shed organization. Wrap everything up like a pro. This assorted 6-pack includes two 10-inch, two 13-inch, and two 17-inch straps. They are the perfect size for a variety of storage needs. These make a great must-have gift for dads or anyone looking to organize their shed or workshop tools. Give the gift of organization and tidiness. What we like. This organizer is built tough with heavy-duty polypropylene and can hold up to 50 pounds. If you have a lot of heavy hoses or power tools in your garage or RV, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who need robust and reliable storage for their workshop or vehicle accessories. What people say. The build quality feels sturdy and durable, which is important for something that's mounted in a vehicle and sees vibration and movement. It mounted cleanly to the mall panels with no issues, and once installed, the hoses stay put even while driving off-road. These straps are well made, sturdy, easy to use and install. The Velcro is strong and sticks together throughout use. They are lightweight, flexible and easy to manipulate. Very nice straps, really helped with organizing my extension cords and keeping them neat and secure. The straps seem well made with quality materials and the Velcro is strong. Number 4. YASONIC Rustproof Adhesive Shower Caddy Set. Tired of cluttered shower spaces? Introducing a revolutionary way to organize your bathroom essentials. This set is designed to simplify your life and bring order to your daily routine. Experience unparalleled stability with our advanced adhesive technology. Rigorously tested to hold up to 40 pounds, these shelves provide a rock-solid foundation for even your heaviest bottles, ensuring nothing ever falls. Say goodbye to rusty, worn-out shower racks. Crafted from premium 304-grade stainless steel with advanced coating, this organizer is built to withstand years of steam and moisture, maintaining its pristine look. Forget complicated installations. Our adhesive design requires no drilling or tools. Simply clean, peel, stick, and hang for a secure fit in minutes, ready to hold your items after just 24 hours. This isn't just for the shower. Enjoy the freedom to relocate these organizers to your kitchen, bedroom, or any space that needs decluttering. Adaptable storage that moves with your lifestyle. This comprehensive 6-piece set includes everything you need: large caddies, a toothbrush holder, a soap dish, and ample adhesive tapes. It's the ultimate solution for a tidy and functional home. What we like. This organizer is made from 304-grade stainless steel and is guaranteed to be rust-proof with a 40 pounds weight capacity. If you're tired of replacing rusty shower caddies or need a strong, drill-free solution for your bathroom, you should consider this. It's ideal for humid environments and offers flexible placement. What people say. The adhesive is no joke. The pads it comes with are super strong. Once it's on. I love that you don't need any tools at all. No drilling, no holes in the wall, no mess. Peel, stick and you're done. These shower shelves are excellent for keeping everything organized. They hold a surprising amount of weight and easily fit full-size shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and skincare products. The black finish looks sleek and modern and matches well with most bathrooms. The shelves are rust-proof and sturdy, even in a steamy shower, and they hold a surprising amount, full-size shampoo bottles, conditioners, body wash, and more, without sagging. I also like the open design, which lets water drain easily so nothing gets gross or mildewy. Number 3. MOOMSINE Heavy Duty Power Tool Organizer. Tired of searching for your tools? This organizer provides a dedicated space for all your power tools, keeping them in one central location. Save time and effort by having everything readily accessible. Constructed from heavy-duty steel with reinforced joints, this tool shelf is designed to withstand the weight of any power tool. Its robust build ensures long-lasting reliability for your garage. Setting up this organizer is a breeze. With included accessories and clear instructions, you can transform your garage wall in just a few minutes. Enjoy a tidy and efficient workspace effortlessly. Featuring a rust-resistant, scratch-proof finish, this tool holder is built for decades of use. Its durable craftsmanship ensures it remains a valuable part of your organization system for years to come. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This electric tool holder is an excellent choice for Father's Day, Christmas, or birthdays. Give the gift of organization and efficiency to the DIYer in your life. What we like. This organizer is constructed from heavy-duty steel and features a 7-slot design with a built-in charging station. If you have a collection of cordless drills and batteries that need to be neatly stored and charged in one place, you should consider this. It's perfect for serious DIYers and professionals looking to maximize garage efficiency. What people say. The organizer is a great way to keep spray cans tidy and accessible. It holds a good number of cans and fits well in my workshop. The design is sturdy and the cans don't fall out easily. Number 2. Posse 58424 Aerosol Shelf Rack Holder. Proudly engineered and manufactured right here in the USA. This ensures top-notch quality and durability for your needs. Keep your trailer or garage tidy and clean with this wall organizer. It's designed to hold up to 24 aerosol cans, decluttering your workspace. With dimensions of 24 inches in length, 5 inches in width, and 36 inches in height, it fits perfectly in most spaces. Installation is a breeze thanks to the pre-drilled mounting holes. All necessary mounting hardware is included for your convenience. We stand behind our product with a 5-year manufacturer warranty. You can trust in its long-lasting performance. What we like. This organizer is proudly made in the USA and designed to hold up to 24 aerosol cans. If you work with a lot of spray paints, lubricants, or other aerosol products and need a dedicated, space-saving solution for your garage or trailer, you should consider this. It's ideal for automotive enthusiasts or anyone with a significant collection of spray cans. What people say. It's very well made and welded nicely. Great for storage of cans with easy visual access. Well made, will store way more than 24 cans if you sort of double row cans. Easy to hang. Number 1. SPACEKEEPER 3-tier Slim Rolling Storage Cart. Introducing a versatile 3-tier storage cart designed to fit perfectly in narrow spaces. Customize its layout with removable shelves to maximize your storage capacity, making it ideal for any room in your home. Effortlessly glide this cart on its 360 degrees rotating casters, with 2 featuring brakes for secure placement. Its lightweight yet stable design ensures easy maneuvering without wobbling. Crafted from durable, waterproof plastic, this cart is resistant to humidity and warping. The hull design allows for easy water drainage and cleaning, making it perfect for bathrooms and laundry rooms. This multi-purpose cart is perfect for lightweight storage in small spaces. Use the side hoops for hanging items and the high-walled baskets to keep your toiletries, cleaning supplies, or kitchen essentials neatly organized. Set up your new storage solution in just minutes with its quick and intuitive tool-free assembly. Simply snap the components together for a sturdy and long-lasting unit. What we like. This organizer features a slim, 3-tier rolling design that fits into narrow spaces. If you have limited space in your bathroom, laundry room, or kitchen and need a mobile storage solution, you should consider this. It's perfect for organizing toiletries, cleaning supplies, or small kitchen essentials in tight corners. What people say. Easy to assemble, love the color, very easy to move, pretty stable, and for its size it holds a good amount. It is narrow shelf and works great in my bathroom, to hold all my lotions and potions. It assembled very easily, I was able to get it done in a snap. While it has assembly instructions, it's quite obvious how to put it all together without them, further making assembly a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.